Hello folks, Waz here, B&B Audio Concepts, and today we have a T6, and this one has come in for the original radio removal and a Kenwood top of the range flagship 10-inch screen installed. To this now we have also added a speaker upgrade and subwoofer upgrade, but the main thing with this vehicle is now it's up to date. So the customer now has Android Auto, Apple CarPlay, digital radio, Bluetooth if required. He can wireless mirror Apple and Android. He's got radio, Bluetooth audio, telephone, USB, HDMI for your Fire Sticks and so forth, AV in if you wish to have a TV or something. This is quite cool, a pitch and roll screen with a compass and so forth. When I put the vehicle into reverse, we've got the factory features working with camera and PDC. So when we go back, you've got your front and surround sensors working. And then we go back to the main unit and job done. If something like this interests you, please give us a ring, because this customer now will get a professionally fitted system with a 3-year warranty, full demo and the works. So we're based in Cardiff, B&B Audio Concepts. Speak to you all soon. Bye-bye.